What's up, lifelong learners? It's your boy, Mr. Hang, and today I'm going to teach you how to start building your ePortfolio or your website. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you an example of my site and a student site. The first page that you're going to make is this thing called the About Me page right here. You are going to have your short autobiography, and then you're going to have your profile picture right there. And then you're going to have your 1 Minute Me project right here. And then you're going to place your 1 Minute Me project on the left side right there. So for my student example right here, her About Me page, you can see her photo, and she's going to do a better one later. All right. When you get better, I'm going to have you upgrade your photos and everything like that. Her About Me right there, short autobiography about her. And then you're going to have your 1 Minute Me. You're not going to have that yet until second semester, but just have it prepped, ready to go. And you're going to place your 1 Minute Me here. Okay. And then your photo video 1-2 page. And I'm going to show you how to make this stuff in a little bit, but I just want to show you the big picture. You're going to have your light painting experience right here. And you're going to have your water balloon tossing experience right here. So those two you've done already. So there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to do this or complete some of this. And then right now we are working on the depth of field experience. So you're going to add that in, but you're not going to have a picture yet until you start going out and shooting your photos and everything in the real world. And then we'll move into composition, and then we're going to move into Lightroom experience and then Photoshop experience. Okay, so this stuff does not have to be there yet, but these the top two right here, light painting experience and water balloon experience, that needs to be in this ePortfolio. So if you look at my student example, go to her photo video 1-2 page. She didn't title hers, but she should. So make sure that you title yours and then write your short experience with the water balloon and the light painting. And then you're going to move into depth of field, composition. This is her Lightroom experience, and this is her Photoshop experience. Okay, so prep those things, get that ready to go. And if you need to go back and watch my part so that you know what to add, go back and rewatch it. And the last thing you're going to do is you're going to create this page called the contact page. And the contact page is simple. All you got to do is just like put your email in there, and then you should be fine. But if you want to put your phone number, that's fine too. And here's my student example right here. Her contact page is just a basic email. You design it the way you want it. I just made mine kind of cute because I wanted to, you know, I miss my doggies, so I put them up there. Okay, so how do you start this? So to start a website, what you're going to do here is you are going to go to your photo video 1-2 folder. So double click, go to photo video 1-2, and then you are going to create a site by clicking new, clicking more, and then going to Google Sites. Click on that. And then you're going to create and share. Okay. The first thing you want to do here is you want to name your site. So I'm going to put my first name, my last name, and then, whoa, okay, that was weird. That just popped up out of nowhere. All right. First name, last name, and then put ePortfolio. Like that. Portfolio. Okay. And then you are going to start your new page, and you're going to name this new page About Me. So go to Pages, click on this part right here, and then you're going to have to rename this by clicking this little dot, 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 going down the list, type dot, and then click on, oh, I guess I can't. Guess I'll just have to double click into home. Sorry, double click into home is what I meant to say, and then change that to About Me. So this title is going to change to About Me. See that? Okay. And then you can change this into About Me. So now you have your first page, and then you're going to go to your second page and create a second page by pushing the plus sign right here. So you're going to create a new page just by clicking that. Click Create New Page, and you're going to name this one Photo and Video 1-2, and then you're going to click Done. Actually, you know what? Use a little ampersand instead of just trying to keep it short. Photo and Video 1-2 like that, and then click Done. Okay, so now I have two pages. I have my About Me page, and then I have my Photo and Video 1-2 page. And then now I'm going to make my third page. I'm going to make my contacts page by clicking, again, the little button right there for the new page. And then I'm going to name this one Contact. Okay, and I'll click Done like that. Now you have 3 pages, and you can organize the pages by clicking and dragging them like that. and then reorganizing. So that way it's about me, photo, video 1, 2, and then contacts. You're going to add photo and video 3, 4, and photo and video 5, 6 later. Okay, so for your About Me page, I'm going to go to this part where it says Insert. So I click the About Me page, I go to Insert, click on that, and then you can pick any of these as your template. So I'll just choose this one right here, put short, auto, bio right there, or you can type it out, autobiography, like so. And then you can click here, type in whatever you want to type in about yourself, and then you can add a picture by clicking that, and then going to upload. So you can upload your own picture, and then you will be able to add a picture, just like this right here on my example site. If I go to my About Me page, I'm able to upload a picture that I professionally edited myself, and it looks all nice and everything like that. Okay, so you're going to add another one. Let's say I want to add my down here. Click on this again, or any of these templates that you can use. And then this one right here will be my 1 minute, 1 minute me video. And then you're going to go down here and you're going to type in blah, 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 blah about yourself, 1 minute me. And then you can add your video when we finish editing it in second semester. You're going to add the video in here. All right. So then I'm going to go to my photo video 1, 2 page, and I'm going to do these two things. Let's just say I want this instead. I want the side by side like this, okay? Side by side. So what I'm gonna do here is, instead of clicking this one with the one big picture and then, like, title and stuff, I'll do the side by side like that. And look here, I have my side by side. So you pick and choose however you wanna do it. Again, on this page, you only need to do 2 for now, and then you're gonna add on more later. So I want you to focus on doing your light painting experience and then answering these 4 questions. So you can pause this part right here and read through mine as an example, but you need to have light painting experience and you need to have water balloon tossing experience. So type that all up yourself, okay? For the sake of making this video short, I'm not gonna do it. And then you're gonna go to your contact page, and then you are going to just, let's say, put a text right there, and then you type in your email, la 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 la, and then you can actually go down here and then add an image or something like that if you want to. So experiment, play around with these things right here. I'm not gonna have time to go through and explain everything, but this is how you get started, okay? So once you're done with all that, you're going to submit by pushing publish. So you're gonna push publish right here, and then you're going to make sure that your published site name is your first name, last name, and an ePortfolio. Okay. If you have, if it says that this name is not available, what you can do is just put like your first name, last name, and then put a number in between, and then put ePortfolio. Okay. So then you can push publish like that. And now the site is being published and is being put out into the internet world or the internet universe or whatever it is. Okay. And then you are going to click on this little icon right here. And then you're going to go to view published site, go to your About Me page, and then you're going to copy this link. And then you're going to go ahead and right click and then copy, take it to your canvas, and then you're going to submit this to the ePortfolio assignment. Okay. All right, that is it. That is how you do it. So get busy, and I got to go pick up my daughter right now. But you know how we say goodbye. Get your hands ready. Rock, paper, peace. Let's hang out again in the next video. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below, and I'll try to get back to you. Or just email me. You all should know how to email me. Okay, bye. I'm back. Let me stop recording now.